Hi guys, welcome back, and excuse my crazy hair. I've already sectioned these front pieces here to cut my curtain bangs. So we're gonna get straight into the video. If you are new, subscribe down below. I have lots of hair content on this channel. But I have had like longer curtain bangs since like the beginning of this year, but they've grown out, so they aren't really curtain bangs anymore. Like you can see how long they are now. And I'm not gonna go super short because it's just a little bit of a like bigger step that I'm not ready to take right now, especially considering my hair bounces up and gets a little bit shorter when I wear it natural because I have like wavy hair, and I did straighten these front sections so that I could get them even and everything. And I'm going to try a little bit of a different technique this time. In the past, I would usually just put my hair to the side that I want it to lay on, and then I would cut angled down like that so that it's for sure going to turn out exactly how I want it to look. But today, I think since I have so much length to cut off, I'm going to try the whole method where you comb your hair to the other side and trim like that. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully not bad, because I don't want to ruin my hair today. I have a lot of hair here, as you can see, but I'm just going to take like the majority of the section and leave the longer piece here. I'm going to put this behind my ear to get it out of the way, and then I'm going to comb my hair over. Oh, this is making me nervous already. I'm not sure how long I want them, so I'm a little bit nervous to just chop because I can't see how long it's going to end up when it comes back to this side. So maybe I should cut where I want the longest part of it to be here and then comb it over so I have a little bit more of an idea. I don't know. Maybe I should have thought this through a little bit more before I just start filming. So I'm thinking these are going to be longer, maybe like starting at the top of my mouth and angling down a little past my chin. Okay, so that's obviously choppy. Don't want them like too long because I don't want them to be too awkward of a length. Grabbing my hair between my fingers, making sure that it's very tightly in there before I bring it back so that I can see where I'm cutting. And then, oh, this is making me so nervous. Doing some point cutting here so that I don't have too much of a harsh look and I have like that nice piecey casual bang. Still pretty long. I gotta be honest, I'm not sure I like that fade because when I bring it back over here, it's not a nice fade down the side. It's more just like random and choppy. I might abandon that method and just cut like how I have before so that it's for sure even. Yeah, I think I might have to do that because I want it to be a nice gradual fade. So I'm just going to pull my hair down to the side here, and we'll go in like this. That's slightly better, but still not quite enough of an angle. Now I feel like I'm going to have to cut the other side the same way so that they end up the same. Okay, I'm going to take out this longer piece now and kind of try to blend the smaller section with it. Ooh, I have hair everywhere now. I knew that was going to happen. This is basically just to fade it in with the rest of my hair then, but I'm going to do the other side and then I will style it and we will see if that length is good. Okay, I think that's pretty even. My tool is heating up. This is the Tymo, I'm not sure what the name of it is, but it's basically like a straightener and curler in one. It has this airflow technique which I think that's in the name actually, where air blows out of these little holes and like cools and sets your curl as you're running over it. So genius. I've worked with Tymo in the past and I've always had a good experience with their tools. I also love their straightening brush and they heat up so fast. But anyways, I'm gonna turn on this little airflow button and then I'm gonna kind of just like style my hair back. I'll show you what I mean. Ooh, that was too much of a curl. Too much of a curl, you guys. Oh my word. Okay, so because the hairs are so short, if I turn it too much, it's gonna end up curling my hair completely, like the first pass. But if I just like slightly tilt it, then I still feel like it helps to set it because the air is blowing out on it. But I'm not sure, I feel like it's not fluffing up as nicely as I want it to because the pieces in the front aren't super short. But I didn't want them super short, so I don't want to go overboard. I'm just not really sure how much is too much to cut. The rest of my hair is still half damp. I did like a wash now, style later thing. I'm gonna style it later. Obviously it looks weird to have straight hair with my disheveled hair, but I don't know. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about it, but I think it will be nice even if I don't want to do a center part like this. I like these types of like shorter pieces around my hair. I can pull them out when I put my hair up, or they even look good when you're doing a side part, like depending on how your hair is styled. Obviously right now it's not going to look good at all, but in the right situation it can look cute. So yeah, I'm gonna probably just leave it like this for now. I don't want to go too short before I'm like sure about it, and I will probably go style my hair with some curly products and let the curtain bangs be wavy curly instead of straight like this. But let me know what you guys think. Should I cut them shorter even though I have wavy hair? I don't know. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Sort of random, but let me know what else you want to see from me. I'm already planning out my content for the first of the year and I'm so excited. But my cutting my bangs video, which was like a straight across fringe bang, just recently hit 3 million views, which is crazy. I posted about it on my community page and I thought this would be fun to do as kind of like an updated cutting my bangs at home. That video was actually one of the first videos I filmed, so if you go back and watch it, just know I was not very good on camera and it's quite embarrassing, but I thought it was cool that it now has 3 million views. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, even though it was kind of random, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.